Hello everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album, and I am going to share with you today a couple of little folios that I made following a tutorial by Septeria18. As you may know, once I start using a collection, I try to use it all up. I don't want to keep any of it in my stash. So I had just a couple of full sheets of some paper from a collection called Eucalyptus Grove. I made a mini album. It'll be listed in the video, so if you click on it, then at the end of the video it will play for you to see the mini album. But this is what I had left. I had some of this paper. So let me just show you what I made. So again, it is a little folio. Oops. It measures 8 by 6. And it's sort of a one sheet wonder kind of thing, but a little different because you see here we've got a couple of pockets and the circle closure, but it looks like an envelope. So, and you open it and here is just a little tuck spot or a little pocket. You could put in like a bookmark or something. I did add in this one just some scraps. I think this was the last one and I really was running out of paper. But I added some scraps from the collection. You can use these as like a little happy mail or add it to a package or add it to a junk journal because it's sort of a junk journalish kind of look. Obviously this Eucalyptus Grove was a botanical base. So there's a pocket here and then you open this up and I don't know that I have anything in here. I don't think I do. But there's another pocket here. And then I did put a strip of paper because I like to, when I'm doing brads, I like to have the components of the brads tucked in it. I didn't want to have it inside the pocket that things would get hung up when you were adding something in there. So I just sort of added a piece of the paper into there just so it would be hidden. So that's an easy one. Oh, this is some washi tape I had that sort of matched the collection. It's got a little gold foiling to it. Here's another one. So again, it's got the 2 circle closures. And oh, this one I put on some Velcro dots just to keep it closed. So there is a little card in that pocket. There is the brad. And then of course you can see on the top of the pocket, this is a pocket too, and I just added a journaling card, just a scrap of paper. I put on some gold foiling and just another little scrap of paper, and that goes in that pocket. And of course in here I just have a scrap of paper. This was a little journaling sheet. This was actually 6 by 6 to start, and I cut it down. Here's just a little folder. That paper's gorgeous, isn't it? It's got lots of the gold detail. I wish I had more of that paper. And then I made this little sort of notepad that I just made with the leftover paper and a journaling card and just tucked it into that pocket. I did add something inside. It's it's single-sided paper, so I had to cover it inside the pocket and inside that flap just because I didn't want it to show. And there's the back, nothing special there. This one is a little more involved. I pretty much followed the example from Septeria. Just she had something here and I did that. I used a wax seal for mine. Added a little embellishment. There's a little sort of tag here with a hole in it. I made it actually from the cover of the album and put a little tassel in there. Couple of little fishtails there. Then that'll open up. Again, there's the pocket with, this is one of the border strips, which is just so beautiful in among itself. It's pretty in this pocket, but you know, that would make a nice little bookmark if I made a little hole and added a tassel to it. So here's the pocket for this. That's one of the cut aparts. That's just a piece of paper left over. And this again opens up. I don't have anything inside the pocket. And here is again a little brad just on a piece of the paper that I backed on with some gold foiling. Inside the pocket, that's from a totally different collection, and here is a little folder that's got some writing paper in it, note paper. So that goes in there. And then the back of that was one of the border strips from the collection. I just thought it was really pretty, and so I included it there. So there are a couple of things I made using the leftover paper from Eucalyptus Grove and a tutorial from Septeria 18. Go check it out. I'll put it in the description box so you can see how she made it, and maybe you'll want to make some of these for yourself. That's what I have for you today. Just a quick little project here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a